Hey authors, or what I like to call entrepreneurs, I'm going to show you really quick how you can order your author copies from Amazon. So make sure you go to kdp.amazon.com. Make sure you're logged in with your Amazon account, and then all you have to simply do is just press sign in. All right, so then it's going to automatically take you to the bookshelf page. You scroll down and you go to the book, if you have more than one, that you actually want to order author copies for. So this book is already published, it's live. So I'm going to click order author copies. I have the paperback and the ebook version, so I'm going to focus on the paperback. Press order author copies, just that simple. Now you're going to go ahead and enter the quantity that you actually want to order. So let's say I want to order 25. Now, please make sure you select the marketplace. So I want to choose Amazon.com since I'm in the US. If I was in Australia, Canada, I would choose another marketplace. So it shows you the price right here at the bottom beforehand, and it kind of lets you know that it does not include shipping and taxes yet. So you're going to go ahead and press submit order. It's going to take you right to your cart. So now you're here at your cart and it's going to tell you the total, including everything. It's $79.55, right? So actually I added this previously. So that's why it says 37 because I recently put author copies in here. But let's say you did that before, you want to update it. I'm going to update it. I just want 25. I don't want 37. So now it tells me my price, right? So then you're going to go to proceed to checkout. It's going to give you the full total and it's going to let you choose what card you like. So it's pretty much that simple. That's pretty much how you order author copies. Let me know if you like this video, if you found it helpful at all.